Hey there. Today I want to share my real unfiltered experience testing 5 popular passive income apps. No fluff, no exaggerations, just honest results from someone who's actually used these apps for 3 months straight. First up was Honeygain, which claims to pay you for sharing your unused internet bandwidth. I installed it on both my laptop and phone, let it run 24/7, and after a month, I made a whopping $432, not exactly life-changing money, but hey, it was completely passive. Next, I tried Swagbucks, which is more of a rewards app. You earn points for watching videos, taking surveys, and shopping online. This one required more active participation than I expected. After dedicating about 30 minutes a day for a month, I earned around $25. Not bad, but definitely not passive. The third app was Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. This one's interesting. It just sits in the background and tracks your internet usage for market research. After 3 months, I earned $15 worth of points. Truly passive, but the earnings are minimal. Then there was Current Music, which pays you to listen to music. Sounds perfect, right? Well, after a month of streaming during my workouts and commute, I made about $8. The catch? You have to keep the app open and active, and the ads can get pretty annoying. Finally, I tested S'more, an app that displays ads on your lock screen. This was probably the most passive of all. I literally did nothing except unlock my phone as usual. Monthly earnings about $2. Here's the truth. None of these apps will make you rich or replace your day job. The most successful strategy I found was running multiple apps simultaneously. By combining Honeygain, Nielsen, and S'more, the truly passive ones, I managed to earn about $20-25 per month without any effort. Remember, the key is to set realistic expectations. These apps are better thought of as ways to earn a little extra coffee money, rather than serious income streams. But hey, if you're going to be using your phone anyway, why not make a few bucks while you're at it?